Oof. Oh, so many bubbles. Cheers. Hi, eco-friendly actress here. Today I'm bringing you another recipe using food waste. I will show you step by step on how I make this Mexican-inspired drink called Tepache. It is fizzy, it is fermented, and I am truly obsessed. Follow me. This recipe uses the skins of pineapples that you would otherwise throw into the landfills. Put everything into a jar and it's the equivalent to one pineapple. Everything goes inside. I have it frozen because my mother-in-law saved it for me and she put hers into the freezer, but it still works perfectly fine. I'm slicing 1 knob of ginger. I find it makes the drink fizzier and I find it makes it spicier too. Placing the ginger inside. A cinnamon stick. It gives it extra sweetness. I also love the scent of cloves and we'll put some of these inside. I don't have piloncillo, so I'm using brown sugar. It's a good alternative. And just top it off with water. Mix this up a bit so the sugar dissolves. Make sure that all the pieces of pineapple are inside the water, otherwise it could mold.
I put a towel on top with an elastic so it still can breathe and get oxygen while it ferments.
I'm always so obsessed that I don't have to use a scoby to make Tepache fizzy. It's what I use to make kombucha. I started making Tepache last summer because of a comment I got from a follower. I was making pineapple tea and she suggested that I make Tepache. So ever since I've been making Tepache, I like that a lot better. I only make Tepache and not pineapple tea anymore. I'm placing it in my closet for 3 to 5 days. It's been 5 days and usually the Tepache is ready for second fermentation. The color is beautiful. You can tell it's ready when it starts to bubble at the top. There's kind of like this foam that happens during fermentation. I also try it. It's sweet and slightly sour.
Strain it. And put the rest into your compost bin. These bottles are called easy bottles and they're specially made for fermentation. The second fermentation is where the carbonation takes place.
I keep the bottles in the basement and I'll come get them in about 3 days. They'll be all bubbly and ready to consume.
I saved about 2 inches of the liquid and it can make Tepache for a second time. I just add half a cup of sugar and fill it with water again.
This one usually ferments a lot faster, 2 to 3 days, so keep an eye on it. Putting it back into the fermentation closet.
After 2 to 3 days of second fermentation, put it in the fridge before you open it. I like to open it in a bowl in case this happens.
Oof. Oh. So many bubbles. It's overflowing. Cheers! It is sweet, slightly sour, and fizzy. I love fizzy drinks. Thank you so much for watching me make this drink out of food waste. It is perfect for the summertime. If you like these kind of videos, please comment and subscribe. I also have an Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest linked down below. My mission is to make the world a kinder place. Be friendly to the planet always, and I'll see you guys in the next one.